What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video we are looking into JBL Xtreme 2 portable Bluetooth speaker, which come with the powerful JBL Pure Bass experience, dynamic and immersive studio sound with features of built-in noise and echo-cancelling speakerphone for crystal clear conference calls. You can play your music non-stop for 15 hours with a single charge. Come with the 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery and a dual USB charging port to keep that party going all day. You can actually charge your smartphone devices while you're playing music. You are getting quality sound wherever you go. Xtreme 2 is fully waterproof, IPX7 rated, so live free from worry of rain or spills. Suitable design for the pools or the beach parties. Go ahead, dive in carrying stripe and a bottle opener included. You can also share your playlist, connect two smartphone devices at the same time, and can also amplify your party with the JBL Connect. You can connect up to 100 JBL speakers at the same time, but the condition is they all have to be the same model. Now from the design point as well as the build quality side, I have to admit that the JBL always puts a really good effort into it and creates a fantastic Bluetooth speakers. Xtreme 2 is available in various colors. The one which we have here is the camouflage. I like the color if I'm comparing with the black, green or any other, but you have a choice available. You can select the one you like from the list down below. Speaker weighs around approximately 2.5 kg, heavy enough, and come with the output of 40 watts in power. All the buttons to control are available on the top, starting with the Bluetooth pairing button, volume control plus and minus, power on and off, and the connectivity button. Down below here you have a play and pause button which will act as a multifunctional when you would like to attend a call. Come with the hands-free feature built in as well. Let's not forget about the hooks for shoulder stripes, and within shoulder stripe you also have a key opener, which is handy to have on your beach parties for sure, to pop up a lot of these beer bottles. Speaker altogether include 4 active transducer and a 2 subwoofer on both sides, and they are inside a very sealed chamber to enjoy the fantastic bass all the time. Where in the front we have a JBL, underneath that is a power status indicator lights. Come with the 2 fantastic rubber stands to hold the speaker steady on a plain surface when you're pounding hell of a bass out of it. Where on the back of a speaker we have a compartment to access all the ports, starting with the auxiliary port, which is for non-Bluetooth supporting devices, micro USB port, which is for firmware upgrade, and a USB port if you like to charge a device. Next to it you have a power port. Simple and straightforward is that. And remember to close this enclosure when you're using the speaker outdoors. You never know when you submerge into the water. To charge your JBL Xtreme you have to use this power brick, where all the necessary cables you need are included. And when it's charging your speaker, you're also going to see the status indicator light of remaining battery and what percentage is charging onto. While charging, you can also use your Bluetooth speaker, no problem whatsoever. But in my personal opinion, JBL should have gone with the USB-C type charging input actually, which is much faster and better, to be honest with you, rather than keeping an extra accessory of this power brick in the box. Now, process of pairing this Bluetooth speaker with your smartphone device is easy and straightforward. First thing you gotta do is power up the speaker by press and hold on power on button. You're going to hear audible notification at the same time status indicator light on the power. Now on your smartphone device, go down into the Bluetooth settings and you should be able to locate JBL Xtreme 2 in your available devices. If it's not there, no need to worry about it. But press and hold on the Bluetooth button here for a couple of seconds. You're going to see blue flashing power light, which means that our speaker is in pairing mode. Select JBL Xtreme 2 from the list and press pair button. Once your Bluetooth speaker is successfully paired with your smartphone device, you're going to see a solid blue light on status indicator light and audible notification on your speaker too. You can also install JBL Connect application. Now with the help of JBL Connect application, you can actually connect hundreds of JBL speakers, any one of its kind available right in here by press of one button right on your speaker. Well, now let's dive into the performance test, where first test will be for the active noise cancelling microphone, which we have in Xtreme 2. I am using this Bluetooth voice recorder on my mobile phone, and the sound you are hearing at this moment of time is recorded by JBL Xtreme 2 microphone. I hope that you can surely tell the difference between this is the recording of this JBL Xtreme 2, and now the recording you are hearing is by using the microphone which I have on my camera system. Well, now it's time for checking out the audio performance. I will be playing some royalty free music from YouTube, indoors as well as outdoors, at a distance and a very close, which will give you an idea that how the speaker is performing. Now at this moment of time, my microphone is only 1 meter away from the speaker. Well, now you have seen it all. The build quality of this JBL Xtreme is fantastic, so as the sound quality undoubtedly, guys. Come with the price tag, that's a hefty bit, but you are getting what you are paying for. Simple as that. No fuss whatsoever. Straight out of the box, gives you the straight great sound quality, no doubt whatsoever. The audio output performance which I have included within the video, obviously I had to play the royalty free music, but for myself I've been playing all the Bollywood and Western music on it, and it's fantastic. Have been using it indoors and outdoors and charging my mobile phone with it too, no problem whatsoever. Yes, it costs a lot of money, but That's why you are getting actually a fantastic sound quality. Now that will be all from my side, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you still have any more questions or reservations about this JBL Xtreme 2, please do let me know in comment section down below. Now next few days I will be also dropping down some of the comparison videos of JBL 2 Xtreme killers. Actually, there are some portable speakers which are comparable with this JBL Xtreme with the less than half of a price of it as well. So if you're interested in them, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. See ya then, guys. Bye for now.